I'm sure you like the idea of picking fresh fruit from the tree and eating it right away because it is so fresh and flavorful that you really enjoy. Hi, this is Ruchi and today we are going to pick figs from our tree. We are really blessed that we have a few fruit trees and it's really amazing to pick them and eat them right away. They are so flavorful and they feel so good. So let me show you our fig crop. So on this tree we get 2 crops per year. So if you look at this right now, it's month of July and you see small figs growing here. So obviously they will take about 2 months to ripen. So this is the main crop which we'll get in a couple of months. But then we also get a breba-crop which you get on the old wood. Like if you look at this one, this is completely ripe, ready to be picked, or this one. So these grow on old wood. Old wood means the branches that were grown last year, not fresh branches. These figs, they are growing on new branches, the branches that have grown in last 6 months. So this is the main crop, and then you get breba-crop on the old wood. You can see that this wood is old. This is not the fresh wood. This is fresh wood in which you are getting the main crop. So right now we have ripe breba-crop and every day we are harvesting about 2 pounds of these figs. So let's harvest today. So I hope you can see there are so many figs and they are all turning kind of dark. That's when you want to pick it. So you know, if you're eating it fresh, you can start to pick them when they are firm, like this one. It is not that dark, but and that's what we have been doing. But we can't eat so many figs that are on the tree. So what we do is that we pick them and then we dry them up and we can eat them all year long. So for that, the best is to wait till they shrivel it up, like this one. If you see, it is slightly shriveled and this is kind of dry from here. So you want to, if you want to dry them up really, this is the stage you want to pick them. So if I look at this, this is firm and it's not shriveled. But if I look at this one, it's easy to pick. And when I pick it, there's no sap coming from it. So it is drying up and it is soft. You can see it is soft and it is kind of shriveled. So that's when you pick it up. And here, you know, look at this one. If you look at this, you know, the stem is kind of drying up and it came out easy and it is so shriveled. So that's one. So that's what you want to do. Even this one, it just came out so easily. So for drying, this is the stage you want to pick it up. For eating fresh, you can pick them up when they are plump like this. So I'm going to slowly pick these and put it here. So I've picked so many. I think we are done for today. Look at our harvest. So these are the ones that I picked just now. These I have been drying up in sun for past few days. And this I have another tree which has, you know, really big figs. And you can see that they are slowly drying up. And these are the ones that are already dried. So now I have stored them in a jar, and you can actually store them in refrigerator if you're worried that they'll go bad, but they'll be fine and you can eat a few of these every day. So when drying figs, always dry them on a wire rack so that there is air circulation around them. Otherwise, if you keep them in a tray, and so the surface that is touching the tray will not get any air circulation and it may develop fungus. So if you pick the figs when they are still firm, you want to keep them inside in a shaded area in a warm place and let it ripen for a few days. So in 3-4 days it will ripen a little bit more, and then you start to dry it up in the sun. If you pick them up while they are already shriveled on the tree, then you can straight away move them into the sun and let them dry. So it will take a few days, probably a week, depending on the sharpness of the sun. If you can see here that on the left, the figs have been drying for maybe 2 days, and on the right, it's been drying for about 7 days, and you can see that they are already almost ready to be stored up. When you feel that, you know, the top surface is pretty much dry and they are still soft when you press them, that's the perfect time. You don't want to bone dry them because then it will be hard to eat. So at this stage you can store them up, and maybe you want to store them in refrigerator in a Ziploc or something so that they don't dry up, and you can keep eating it whenever you want. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.